Woke up with swollen, tired eyes right before your wedding? Yep. It's a thing. And no, it's not just you. Whether it's stress, tears, or zero sleep, puffy eyes love big days. But here's the fast, makeup artist trick that actually works. Step 1, 5 minutes with a cold spoon or metal roller. No cucumber required. Chill and depuff, instantly. Step 2, use a caffeine eye serum, like the Inky List or the Ordinary. Then tap in a peachy color corrector. Not concealer. Corrector first. Step 3, add a light, hydrating concealer in a triangle. Don't smear, tap with a damp sponge, blend downward for a lift. Final step, brightening powder under eyes, not baking, just a soft dust. Lock it in with setting spray. Boom, puff. Gone. Look, stress happens. Puffy eyes happen. But so does the glow up, and now you've got the fastest fix. Hit that like plus subscribe, 'cause we've got more wedding beauty hacks coming, no filters.